Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your homes during COVID crisis. This is week 16 revision week. Welcome you all in FSEC's online support program. Today we are going to revise the topics which we have already done in OSP round 1 and OSP round 2. So we are going to discuss literature, the book, textbook The Secret Garden. Page number 10 to 13. Chapter is 3. Lesson or topic Revision and Summary Writing of Chapter 3. Resources required textbook, stationery, internet, laptop, computer. Introduction or summary of the lesson. Recap of important happenings of Chapter 3. Revise how to write the summary writing by recalling the main events. Do practice of summary writing of Chapter 3. Before we start our today's topic, let's see what is thought of the day. Every new day is another chance to change something in your life. Every new day is a chance to feel blessed for what you have. What does it mean? Every new day brings with it another chance to change life. Till you are alive, you always get a chance to change your life and make it more meaningful in the form new day. Simple, leave behind setbacks of the past and concentrate of the new daily life has offered to you. So you should be grateful to Allah. Let's see what are today's objectives. Students will be able to review chapter 3 by recalling the main events of the story. Revise how to write summary writing. Do practice of summary writing of chapter 3. The Secret Garden, chapter 3, Across the Moon. Now take a quick review of important happenings in the story of chapter 3. Mary becomes close to the maidservant Martha Sowerby. She told Mary about the secret garden. She begins walking in the garden every day and meets Benwether's staff, the gardener, and the Martha's little brother Dickon. One day a robin helps Mary find the key to the secret garden. With the help of Dickon, she begins working in it every day. Mary wanted to make a little garden, but she needed some gardening tools, like spade. So Martha suggested Mary to write a letter to Dickon to buy a spade from the village shop. Now you can see in the pictures. Who is that girl? She is Mary Lennox. She is 9 years old girl. At the beginning of the story, she was very bad-tempered. But with the passage of time, you will see in the story, a positive attitude is seen in her behavior. When she got friendship with Dickon or Reuben, you can see this bird. That is Reuben. In these pictures, you can see she enters the garden. And who helped her to find the key? Reuben. So she became friends with each other. Chapter 3. Recap. Every day after dinner, Martha told Mary about the secret garden And about Mr. Craven, his wife, died when she fell from an old tree with a branch like a seed. But one day when Martha left Mary, she decided to explore the house and she heard someone crying. But Mrs. Medlock took her in her room. The next day, when the Rowan, she found a key. Then another day, she saw under some ivy one door. She opened the door with the key and she discovered the old garden. Revision. Summary. Before we start writing a summary, we should be able to know what is a summary. A summary is a shortened passage which retains the essential information of the original. It is a fairly brief restatement in your own words of the contents of a passage. Or a summary is a shortened version of a text that highlights its key points. How to write a summary? Let's see what are characteristics of a summary. Read the passage the first time for understanding and find the main idea. Make sure you understand the content, including major and minor sections, as well as the overlying message being conveyed. Each paragraph expresses and develops one main idea or point. Eliminate unnecessary words and repetitions. Eliminate personal ideas and inferences. Conclude with a summing up sentence. Why use summarizing? Let's see what are benefits and why a summary is important. It helps students learn to determine essential ideas and consolidate important details that support them. It enables students to focus on keywords and phrases of an assigned text that are worth noting and remembering. It teaches students how to take a large selection of text and reduce it to the main points for more concise understanding. There are so many benefits of summary. It can help you to improve your writing skill. It can polishes your vocabulary or enhances your vocabulary. It can improve your comprehension skills when you are going to understand the story and you are going to summarize. So these are the benefits. Revision. Do practice of the summary writing of chapter 3 by recalling the important events. You have to read the story again, chapter 3, and then you have to think how you have to summarize it. Success criteria. Summarize by leaving out unnecessary details. Summary should be one-third part of the original text. Do not introduce your own comments or criticisms into the summary. It means you will not write your own ideas and your comments in the summary writing. But summary should be in your own words of the original text. Summary should be in the present tense, but some important events of the past can be reported in the past tense. What is moral value of the day? The importance of friendship. Friendship is very important to all of us. A true friend is one who is always there when you need. In this story of chapter 3, you can see Mary became friends of Deacon and Reuben. So, a positive attitude is seen in her behavior. So, friendship is very important. Thank you, class. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.